Here's a solution for day 3, problem 1. Use synthetic division to divide this polynomial by x minus 3. With synthetic division, we're going to list the coefficients of all the terms. The coefficient of x to the 4th power is 1. There is no x to the 3rd power, so that coefficient is 0. The coefficient of the x squared term is negative 3. The coefficient of the x term is 1. And the constant term is 5. The synthetic division bracket looks like this. To divide by x minus 3, the number that we're going to divide into this list of coefficients is actually positive 3. It's whatever number is used for x for that binomial to turn out to be 0. We're going to go through the process now of synthetic division. Start by bringing down that first number 1. And then multiply these together. 1 times 3 is 3, and write that under the 0. Then add these together. That makes 3. Multiply 3 times 3, which is 9, and write it down under the negative 3. And then add these together. That makes 6. Multiply 3 times 6, that's 18. And add these together. That's 19. Multiply 3 times 19, which is 57. And then add these together, that's 62. Now we need to interpret this list of numbers that we have back in the form of a polynomial. Start by separating that last number off. It's going to be the remainder of our answer. And then start here and work your way to the left to decide what exponents you have on your x terms. The 19 is the constant term, the 6 is the coefficient of x, the 3 is the coefficient of x squared, and the 1 is the coefficient of x cubed. So our answer is going to start 1x cubed. Then we have plus 3x squared, then plus 6x, and then plus 19. Now for the remainder. We're going to add on 62 over what we divided by, which was the x minus 3. So we started with a 4th degree polynomial, divided it by a 1st degree polynomial, and that created an answer that started with the 3rd degree and then worked its way downward. Day 3, problem 2. Evaluate these logarithmic expressions. So 4 to what power makes 64? 4 to the 3rd power is 64, and so that's the value of this logarithm. What's the natural log of e to the x? The base of a natural log is e. So e to what power makes e to the x? And the answer is x. And the last one, log base 500 of 1. 500 to what power makes 1? 500 to the 0 power is 1, and so that answer is 0.